Ladies and gentlemen, let us embark on a culinary odyssey, a voyage through the realms of low-carb gastronomy. Picture, if you will, a landscape divided into two dominions, the realm of the animals and the kingdom of plants. Each a treasure trove of sustenance, but oh, the nuances that define their low-carb offerings. In the kingdom of animals, our journey begins with the noble meats, a cavalcade of flavors, textures, and possibilities. Meat Sir beef, gallant and hearty, ever present in the feast of low-carb choices. Alongside him, the regal poultry, loyal pork, lamb in its splendid robe, venison, the gamey knight, and bison, the robust. Their protein-rich banners flutter in the low-carb breeze. And lo, the versatile egg, a chameleon among foods, capable of being a snack, a meal, or a wizard's ingredient. But tread lightly, for here lie temptations in the form of processed comrades. Bacon, pork rinds, beef jerky, and lunch meats beckon, but beware, for the path to processed meat is fraught with hidden sugars and diminished nutrient quality. As we glide into the watery depths, a bounty of seafood awaits. Wild-caught salmon, the wise old sage, haddock, shrimp, and scallops, all take their place at the low-carb banquet. The ocean, it seems, has secrets to offer. But hark, dear travelers, for we approach the dairy duchy, where the fair lactose reigns. Natural but treacherous, it hides within dairy's embrace. The fattier the dairy, the more virtuous it becomes, for fat bespeaks a fullness, needing no added sugars or sweeteners. Full-fat yogurt, heavy cream, half and half, sour cream, and cheeses of all varieties, they grace our tables, but only if we heed the carb count, for lactose lurks in the shadows. And now, a transition to the lands of sizzling fats, rendered from the very beasts themselves. Butter, a golden elixir, lard, and tallow, the triumvirate of savory cooking, here we salute your low-carb virtues. In the verdant realm of plants, as our journey unfolds, where carbohydrates spring forth like sunlight through leaves. But fear not, for within this green expanse, low-carb gems await our discerning palates. Aromatic coffee and tea, those ancient brews, grace our mornings with minimal carbs, their bitterness a testament to the purity of low-carb living. Herbs and spices, from basil to oregano, carry traces of carbohydrates, but their potency resides in the alchemy of small quantities. Beware packaged blends, for hidden carbs may lurk. Behold, the verdant meadows where leafy green vegetables reign supreme. Asparagus, the tender spear, green beans, broccoli, cauliflower, mushrooms, and onions, though the latter with a whispered caveat, for they tread a bit higher on the carb path. Nuts and seeds, the enigmatic treasures of the plant world, grace our journey, but caution prevails. These crunchy morsels, while teeming with low-carb potential, require moderation. The carb content dances with variability. Pecans, walnuts, and macadamia nuts prance lightly, while pistachios and cashews wear a heavier carb cloak. And lo, the nut and seed butters, akin to liquefied jewels, offering texture and flavor, but oh, the labels. Beware, for added sugars may tarnish their low-carb glory. With the might of grinding, nuts and their kindred plant foods transform into flours, ushering in almond flour and coconut flour as low-carb bakers' alchemical secrets. Yet, tread carefully, for refined flours may change the course of your low-carb journey. Now, dear travelers, let us not forget the enigmatic fruit, for some bear low-carb gifts. Avocado, coconut, lemon, lime, and olive, they parade through the orchards of low-carb abundance. Apples, berries, cantaloupe, cherries, and grapefruit, while not devoid of low-carb virtue, may need moderation in the weight loss quest. And finally, an honorable mention to the dark enigma of chocolate, a delicacy gracing our low-carb tables, but only when garbed in 70% cacao or more, with little sugar. A subtle sweetness, an acquired taste, awaiting those on the low-carb path. In this culinary saga, we have traversed the landscapes of low-carb feasting, where animal and plant, meat and vegetable, converge in a tapestry of flavors. As you embark on your own low-carb adventure, remember the wisdom shared here. for it shall be your compass through this gustatory odyssey.